I'm not getting in his way. Am I in your way, Ruben?
What?
Am I in your way?
Am I in your way?
Am I in your way?
Oh, yeah.
No, I'm not in his way. I'm not in his way. Now see, he runs that along there. Some guys will have something like this, and they'll have a like a pad on it. There's probably a pad on the back side of that, and some guys have one kind of like that, where maybe that's going on. Guess I got to get off the carpet. Where they might have a 2x4 or something that they have carpet on, and longer than that or something. See, I thought he was just going to use this kicker, and that's got the little hooks on it too, and that keeps it tight. And there's a fine line on how tight you want to do that before you blow a hole in the wall in your baseboard and stuff. Let's see, he knows just about how much to cut. That's why that's called a Bloody Mary, because if you get your finger in the way, it'll slice it open. Every carpet guy's got a story. Now if that's a carpet tool, pushing it down in there. Uses that and flattens it down. Yeah, see what I'm talking about? Keep your fingers out of the way. Now he's using his kicker. He's got to do that to get it in there. And some guys use knee pads. He's got some knee pads. But I guess he's decided not to wear them, see? Here's his knee pads right here. That gives you some more padding there. Oh man, I would not want to be a carpet installer every day. Hard on your back and your knees, for sure. He's just going to keep working himself all the way around the wall. See, they decided not to put baseboard all the way around because that's right where the closet doors are, and the closet doors fit right up against the wall. Now, I've seen some people where they put a little return piece of base, and then the closet doors fit in between that. But I mean, you got to do something. This is what they decided to do. That's why I had to, when I patched the walls, I had to make sure they went all the way down, see? Because that whole edge is showing. Had I have left them, you'd see something underneath there, and then I'd have to patch that after the carpet. No, thank you. Chances are you're not going to have a power stretcher like this. You're not going to have a kicker like that. You can rent those at rental places, believe it or not. You might want to get one of those heavy-duty tools. You can get those at pretty much anywhere. Carpet Wholesale House has them. You can buy them. Even Home Depot, I think, has those thick thick tool. I would wear some earplugs if you're going to do something like that. He's just kicking it a little bit. This is a small little closet, but he still wants to get it nice and tight. Yeah, he's got to use that tool all the way around. All the way around the room, he's got to use that tool. When he gets done, it's going to look nice. Pushes right down on the tack strip, and the tack strip has all those little nails in them, and they come in at an angle this way so that when you stretch the carpet, it gets down on there, you push that in there, and it keeps it from sliding out. So if you have to re-stretch it, as you're stretching it forward, it lifts right off of there, and then comes right back down on again. Okay, so that's how tack strip works. And that's why his kicker has to have the little hooks going that direction to stretch the carpet, and then the tack strip holds it. Fine line on how much to cut off, because obviously you don't want too much. You get too much, then it's going to buckle to a certain extent. So there's happy medium. You get the hang of it when you first do it. He's probably extending it over way far. And see, that's enough to get it down in there and underneath the baseboard to a certain extent. Then if he stretches it a little bit more, then he can use his tool, and it kind of pushes it underneath the baseboard just a little, and set down there on that tack strip. Let's see what he does up here. So he sees about where he needs it. There. He's pushing that down onto the tack strip, then he'll use his little this little kicker here in a minute. Mommy's like, make sure you don't get in his way. I said, I won't get in his way. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I'm sure you're going to want to see the progress on how this is coming along and what it looks like step by step before we put this for sale.